Good morning, children. Let us begin lesson number 6, Personalizing Windows 7. Now, let us understand how you can personalize and what is personalization. The desktop that appears on the computer screen has some background and themes, and when you change the themes and background, this is known as personalization. We can change these backgrounds according to our choice. We can decorate our desktop. Opening personalization window. So, in order to change the various settings, you need to open personalization window. How you can get? Let us see. You can open the personalization window to decorate the desktop of Windows 7. The steps are: click on the Start button. The Start menu will appear. Click on the Control panel. Children, Control panel over here is very important. You have to click on it. Control panel window will appear. Now, let us see Control panel. Control panel is a program which is used to change some settings in the operating system or computer. So, this is the Start button over here. When you will click on it, Start menu will appear and you will get Control panel over here. And if you want to change any setting, you have to click on Control panel. Now, for personalization, you need to click on the Appearance and Personalization in the Control panel. So, as you can see, children, Appearance and Personalization, you have to click here. Click on the personalization and then finally click on the close button when you have finished working. Now let us see how you can change the desktop background. We can make our desktop background more beautiful by changing its wallpaper according to our choice. The background image that appears on our desktop is also called wallpaper. What are the steps, children? Open the personalization window. You already know where is personalization window. You have to click Control panel and you will get Appearance and Personalization window. Click on Desktop Background. Click on the down arrow of picture location. In the desktop background, you will get different pictures. So you have to click the down arrow so that you can get all the view of the pictures. Click on the background gallery you want to use and then you have to select. You can also add your own image as the desktop background and you need to go to picture library for that. You can also change the position of the picture. Save all the changes, done. Then after doing all these things, you have to save the changes and click on close. Now children, screensaver. Now what is screensaver? Let me explain you what is screensaver. Screensaver is the moving picture that appears automatically on your computer, and when it will appear? When you are not using a computer for a period of time. To bring back your computer desktop again, what you have to need to do? You can press any key from the keyboard or you can just move your mouse. So automatically the screensaver will go away and your desktop will appear. So let us see what are the steps for doing the screensaver. Again, you have to open personalization window. As you can see, here in the picture, this is desktop background. If you want to change the desktop background, you have to click on this. And the last one is screensaver. If you want to add the screensaver, then you can go to personalization window and then you can click on this. Click on the screensaver. Click on the down arrow of screensaver so that you can get different options. Click on the screensaver you want to use. Then you have to choose one. Check the preview. You can check the preview also. That means whatever will be the screensaver, you can watch it earlier. Click on the weight up and down arrow to specify the time. Okay, so if you want to give the timing, that for how long you want your desktop and how long you want your screensaver start, you can click on the weight up and down arrow to specify the time. Then you have to click OK, and that's all. Thank you children for watching this video.